Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. And today we are making a healthy beef and broccoli stir fry. But the first thing we're going to start off with is making the sauce, and we're putting it aside. Then we are going to start cutting up our meat and cooking our meat along with the broccoli. Okay, so first thing we are going to need is 1/4 cup of low sodium sauce. I have to be careful bringing this over. Oh yeah, and of course I spilt it. Okay. And that was 1/4 cup of, I chose the less sodium, low sodium soy sauce. All right, putting that aside. Now we're going to go in there with 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay, another tablespoon. Okay, I'm going to swoop that out with my finger. My hands are clean. I use my hands a lot while I'm cooking. Okay, so next what we're going to do is 2 cloves of garlic. But I have the minced garlic, and it's perfectly fine to use that. We're going to go ahead and put 2 teaspoons in. There's 1 and 2. Sorry about the banging, friends. 1 teaspoon of ginger. And this is the kind of ginger that I have. So we're going to do 1 teaspoon of the ginger. And again, I'm swooping this in there because, oh, I don't have to. Okay, nice. 1/2 cup of beef broth. Let's see if I can make that over there safely. Ta-da! Did it perfectly. Okay. Oops. And I'm just going to stir this in a little bit. We got another ingredient we need to put it in. I'm trying to mash down that ginger. I like mixtures like this. They are so tasty. Okie dokie. Now, rinsing my spoon. So it's my measuring spoon that I needed to rinse. Because I need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, let's get that in there. And again, let's give that a nice stir. So when we're making this, I'm using sirloin, sliced sirloin. Of course, I have to slice it myself, but that's okay. But I have heard that people have made it out of skirt steak, and so I guess I'm going to go ahead and say, get what's affordable. Get what you can get, okay? Because meat is expensive. I know I should be cooking with beans a lot, and I know you don't see a lot of beans on this show. But I might come up with a few really good recipes with the beans, because I honestly, I do eat beans and I like beans. Okay, so this is our sauce. And then that was a half a cup of low sodium sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of garlic, minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, half a cup of beef broth, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I will be putting the ingredients below, so you don't have to worry about writing that down. I'm putting it to the side, putting my cap on here. Okay, now I need to get a cutting board. Okay, and this is what I have. Okay, so we are going to cut these in slices, of course. Let me get it open. Alrighty. I hope you can see this. And we're going to try to cut it as thin as possible. Get the fat off of it. Okay, and just try to get all your meat cut up as thin as possible. Okay, so this is what it ends up looking like. Thin, little, thin. As thin as I could get it, because I have to be careful with my hands with knives. Okay, so a pound of sirloin steak sliced up. What we want to do first is turn on the stove and put like a tablespoon of olive oil. I just want to smear that everywhere. I do want it to get hot. Okay, let's get that thrown in there. Okay, we want to get that fried up. Here we go. This is looking pretty good. Friends, we're going to throw in a 12 ounce of broccoli. We're just going to throw it in there. Yes, I have my scissors in here cutting those long stalks. You do not have to do this if you don't want. Also, you could use fresh broccoli. This is what I have right now today. I haven't been grocery shopping in a while, so I have to make it make. Okay, we're going to stir that up. Yeah, I know. I'm using 2 spatulas. Sometimes I do that because I really want to get hold of the food and get it done. Oops, I cut the meat at that moment. Okay. There's another one. All right, we are not done. Let's let this simmer some. Okay, while your broccoli and meat is getting done, choose what you would like to pour it over. You don't have to pour it over anything, okay? It's good just the way it is. Today I'm going to pour mine over some jasmine rice. You can also pour it over spaghetti noodles, the thin, really thin noodles, or even ramen. I mean, it's your choice on where you want to take it from here, but this is your base. You can eat it just like this because it is so delicious. Okay, I do believe that has just simmered enough. Do you remember the sauce that we made earlier? Here it is. Pour your sauce in there. Make sure you get everything. Oh my God, that sauce smells so good. Like I can lick the bowl. I'm not going to, but I want to. All right, and then we're just gonna, let this all marry together. Get all seasoned up together. And get those flavors marinating in the meat and the broccoli. And then let's let that, it smells so good. And just let this cook for a little bit till it comes back up to a simmer again. Okay, friends. Woo. It is now done. My burner is still hot, and this is why I have to push it back some. But we want to scoop some of that and just lay it right over that rice. Oh, it is piping hot. But that does look good. Okay, maybe a little bit more meat on this side. Okay, we're going to reach in there, get some rice. Oh, no, gotta get a, okay, some meat, rice. I'm gonna get a spoon. Because that did not work, the fork didn't work out for me. And I just did not know how much longer that was going to continue to keep going on. Okay, my friends. Now, let's taste it. This is good. This is really good. Okay, so this is the healthy version, okay? Healthy version of beef and broccoli. Okay, friends, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. But most of all, keep cooking, friends. I love you all.